Okay, let's get to Patrick Assaleone and try to make some head or tail. The CEO, Target Trading Academy, worked a very long time on Wall Street. Patrick, thank you for being with us. What you look at what Powell said. According to him, the economy is fine, and we didn't get enough jabs early enough, and that's why ships are stuck out in the ocean. We have a supply chain shortage, and we can't get baby formula because somebody didn't get a vax in the first month. What the hell are these people talking about?
Well, first of all, good morning, John. Second of all, I'm at a loss for words. I don't watch that buffoon for a reason. He's just a paid shill. He does what the administration tells him to do. I personally know ranchers in Wyoming who are telling me that they got locked in at fertilizer for $500 a ton. Next month it's going up to $900. The month after that's going up to $1,100 when they used to pay just about $200 a ton for the same fertilizer before this whole freaking nightmare occurred. So I have no idea what he's talking about. Everything is not good. And if you want to believe that, go right ahead. I can tell you myself, when you're taking food and energy out of the cost of things, which are the only things that we use every single day, and it's still rising, there's a tremendous problem.
Okay, so let's get to the stock market right now. Personally, everybody knows this that follows me. I pulled every dime of my retirement out of the market, because I think a lot of these stocks, Patrick, are overvalued, and thank you. And it's a lot of it's based on what Powell just said, which is, people had all this cash, they were spending money. Now we're getting reports right now saying that people are cutting back up to 50 to 60% of their discretionary spending is now being cut back. So a lot of these companies have fake balance sheets because people are spending money, that cash that came in, backed by nothing. And they're on the bubble. What do you think?
Well, as far as the stock market goes, John, the only entities that can make any money, real money, or move the market really are the banks and these hedge funds. They're making piles of money, so they're just fine. Individuals themselves, about a week or so ago, a couple weeks ago, the market started selling off, and it was an orderly sell-off. But they just got sick and tired of getting beat up. They sold out. You got out way before they did because you're a lot smarter than they are. You didn't listen to some financial advisor. The market then got jacked up for a few days in a row. So that in and of itself is just a game, and it's probably not a game that most people want to play if you don't understand it. But I talk to hundreds of people every week, and they're not fine. They're not happy. I have people coming in constantly, especially from your show, who are terrified about losing their jobs and being laid off, and they want to start learning how to trade before that eventuality comes to pass.